I, Akhilesh Narayan Singh, Director of Narayan Herbal Spasric India. Importance of compress. External application. Have a patient who sometimes complained of constipation and sometimes intermittent urination. Once he was admitted in the hospital and urination has stopped for 22 hours. His family members came and told about the problem and request for treatment by Nasik methodology. When I went to the hospital, I also threw that instead of giving him oral treatment, electrohomeopathy medicines should be used externally, and I applied red electricity alternate NH oxycare compress and compression on number 25. Urination came freely within 20 minutes. Everyone was happy and said that you should give him give him such that you should be given him such treatment every day. I started treating him like this due to which he started passing stool and urine regularly. I kept applying RE on 5, compress point number 5, 6 and 7 every day. Due to this, his appetite increased, consciousness also instead increased, and he started passing stool and urination regularly. From here, my compression treatment has started, and I start treating most of the patient with compress only. People started know knowing me as a compression doctor. People started knowing as me and compress doctor. I have seen in many diseases that by giving regularly compress to the patient, like like the life force of the patient develop no matter what disease he has. I would like to tell about some such patients whom I cured by compress. One patient, one of my close friend, close relative friends, who has who was complaining of headache, came to me once. I gave him 5 drops of white electricity. He again got headache at night, and I took him to Narayana Hospital. Narayana Hospital. There he was given glucose, dextrose, and some fluids. And in the morning he was discharged saying that he has no problem. While returning home, he fell on the way and came and became unconscious. He was admitted in nearing nursing home. On CT scan, it was found that due to blood clot he went into coma, and according to neurologist he had to life for 4 to 7 hours. There was no hope of survival. I was also called. The doctor of the nursing home was no me no to me. On my request, he thought of keeping the patient at his place and taking my service as well. I kept applying red electricity and NH Oxycare compress every hours, 5 to 6 5 6 7 compress point 4 to 5 times daily. The patient remained in coma for 7 days. Sixth day, one compress C5 Canceroso 5 1 ml D3 base 1 plus blue electricity 1 ml D3 base plus 1 ml Angetico 2 and added 27 ml of distilled water. Were applied on compress point number 17. The patient retained consciousness by night, and on the ninth day the patient was completely cured. This is the importance of compress. So you taken any compress products, you buy Narayan Herbal Spagyric India. जय हिंद, जय इलेक्ट्रो होम्योपैथी, जय काउंट सीजर मेटी जी, जय नासक मेथोडोलॉजी.